Hi, this is Anthony from oqplay.com, and today we're checking out the VR Cover Silicone cover for your Oculus Quest. This is a medical grade silicone cover for your Oculus Quest 2 that enhances both comfort and also enhances your hygiene because it allows you to easily wipe it down, and it also enhances the foam, the original foam cover, from just decaying a little bit from just regular use. So having this little silicone cover really helps with the longevity of the stock interface kit. So in the packaging you get a manual on how to actually apply the silicone cover to your Quest 2. It's pretty straightforward and we'll go over that in a second. And you also get the silicone grip itself. It's very similar to the original Quest in colour and almost in shape, with the built-in nose protector as well, from reducing light leakage from the bottom of your nose. So we'll get this attached to our Quest 2 and see how easy it fits and what it basically feels like. So let's jump in and see how it fits onto our Quest 2. Right, so we have our halo strap here that we've covered in a previous video, and we also have our VR cover cotton cover that we also previewed recently. So we're going to take that off, so pop our Quest there for now. And so this is our cotton cover. We're not going to use that now, we're going to use the silicone. So we're going to take that off, don't need that. So this is the stock foam interface that you would get with the original Quest. We'll be basically covering this with a medical grade silicone cover from VR Cover. And here it is. Brief instructions. It really is child's play, but just to make sure that we got everything covered. So we've removed the stock interface, and then we're going to slip the cover on the left and right hand sides of the stock interface. So we're going to do that. And it really does feel like the original Quest here, which is good, because the original silicone cover was a really nice fit. If you don't mind this style of cover, I'm not honestly a massive fan of silicone covers, but if you are interested in this way, it really does protect the foam inside from degrading. Obviously it's going to protect you from sweat because it's silicone, and it's going to be easily wipeable to remove any sweat. Obviously if you're sharing the headset as well, this is a really good way to hygienically sort of pass the headset around different people, and just a quick bacteria wipe was going to help with that as well. And also you've got the built-in nose block here for any light leakage in the actual headset itself. That you also get in the facial interface kit for the Oculus Quest 2. I would say it's slightly smaller, if you can see there. This ridge piece here is a little bit further that way than this piece, and obviously you don't get these sort of hook end pieces that probably actually touches your nose a little bit, if I'm honest. It's got less padding than the VR cover itself. If you think about it's just a cover for the stock interface, so it's not forcing your face any further out, so you probably get less field of view with the foam interface on top of this. This is using the thin version, and but it's also going to be great for glass wearers because you're using the default interface and you're just covering it by protecting the foam interface and making it hygienically clean. So we'll just pop this back on our headset. As you can see, it was super easy to actually get attached, and this all clips in. So that is it in now. I think the grey works quite well with the white, but I think it would have been better if it was black. I don't know why they chose this kind of colour grey, but it looks good. Hopefully the light leakage is going to be good for that too, with the nose piece here. And let's get this fitted and see how it feels. So we got the VR cover silicone cover attached to our Quest 2. Let's get it fitted on and see how it feels. Obviously with a silicone cover, it's a lot smoother on the face than the rough material, so that's an added bonus. Because of the silicone, it feels cold to the face as well, so if you're in a hot climate or you're doing lots of sweaty activities in VR, that's going to help with that too. And obviously it's going to wick any sweat onto the actual surface, and it allows you just to wipe it off. But it feels great. If you like the stock interface, the foam, this is a really nice way to cover it, and it's very cheap as well. And the silicone's going to really be easy on the face, so hopefully less Quest face. So it's going to work well with the Halo strap, which barely puts enough pressure on around your eyes and your face anyway. So that's going to be a good combination from the Halo strap and the silicone VR cover as well. It feels good, and for $14.99, it's a really nice cheap way to get some protection onto your Quest 2, and it'll also help with the longevity of the facial interface kit. And if you wear glasses, you don't have to worry about any fitting there either, because you're using the default stock foam interface. So that is the silicone cover from VR Cover, $14.99. It's not as snapped up as the other pieces are, but I think between this and the cotton covers, I would probably get this. It's slightly cheaper, more hard wearing. You get the light leakage, which I've noticed is pretty good. Yeah, the light leakage is really good actually. There's a little bit of light there, but it's really marginal. At least allows you to find out where your position is in the house, so that's quite handy without blocking it out completely. So that's an added bonus to consider. And you don't have to worry about the other facial interface kit that you get with this. You get the bonus. That was the main bonus really for the headset. And if you get it with this bundled in, that's a value add. This obviously gives you better cushioning, if that's a thing. So if you're using an Elite strap or the original soft strap, that's probably going to do a better job than this does. Because it's just softer on the face. But both are very good products from VR Cover if you're into fitness games or high intensity, or you just sweat a lot. So very good accessory from VR Cover. Thanks to them for sharing it with us. They have another color in red, another option, red option that I'm not quite sure why they chose red, but hopefully we can see more colors in the future. But until now, this is a good solution for anyone looking to prolong the life of their original stock interface kit, and also keep it hygienically clean too. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.